Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the payment option in YouTube TV. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is firstly open your browser, then just simply open YouTube TV over here. Now wait a few seconds. Now once your YouTube TV is opened, all you have to do is you just simply click on your profile option right over here. Then go to the settings panel. So wait a few seconds, and after that just simply go to the membership section, which you will find right over here at the very top. Now over here you will have your plan that is selected. So just simply click on manage right below your plan, and then that will bring you to the section right over here. Over here you can select your plan, modify your plan, whatever you want to do. Then just simply go to the checkout page after that, and over here you will find the new option called payment method. So just simply wait for a few seconds, and then right over here you will have your current payment option. Now in order to change it, you will need to click on this drop down box, and then you will be given two options. You can add your new debit card or credit card, or you can also add your PayPal depending on what you want. Just simply choose the option. So let's say for example you want to add a new credit card or a debit card. Choose this option, and then your old debit card will be, and then right over here you can just simply add the new credit card. You can add the number, and then you can add the month and the year, the security code, and then your name and zip code will automatically be added over here. After that, all you have to do is simply click on start membership. Now, if you already have a plan, just simply click on confirm right over here. And then now once you will do that, you will find a new payment option right below your current payment option. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.